Okay, now to put the finishing touches on the little fairy door. These two, I've already got the flowers and everything on, and I'll show you how I did some of that. We are using a scruffy brush, and when I say scruffy, it's one where the bristles don't go back to a nice good chisel point, but there's so many things that you can still do with them. So I've got red on one side, white on the other side, and then I do just a little tapping to kind of blend the colors. And I'm going to come up here and we're going to put some of the little flowers, and we'll let one or two look like it's trailing down the little window box. And let's do the other side and add the little flowers. I like to call these squashed on flowers because that's kind of what I'm doing when I'm putting them there. I'm squashing them on. Okay, then we're going, this was just a smaller of the two brushes, and this one's a little bit wider. So I'm going to use the one that's a little bit wider and a blue paint and do the same thing down here at the bottom. Make sure this is in the camera, and we're going to do a background row of the blue flowers. I have to reload for each side of the bushes, so I'm going to do them a little further back across the front, and then put some more of the red and the white on this brush. Do the little squashing, and then we're going to add the little layer of these. About to lose the white there. To the front, and then I want to take just a little bit of that same dark green and some of the yellow and do a similar brush load and just add the little border edge of the yellow across the front. And then that kind of helps tie all of that together. Then I take my toothbrush. I needed to dampen it. Oh, I didn't mean to bump the phone. Sorry, y'all. And take all three of these at one time. And you want just a little bit of the burnt umber paint. And then I like to ever so lightly spatter a little bit of the paint over the entire piece. And you'll be surprised what that little bit of spattering does as far as the eye traveling around your piece and kind of tying everything together. So there are 3 more fairy door rocks that I've painted this afternoon. So I hope that helped. If y'all have any questions, just holler at me. I don't know how long it's going to take to get these to upload, but each one will be a separate little video to show the start to finish of the whole project.